I'll show you guys this socket organizer from Olsa Tools. The organizer holds up around 42 to 45 sockets, and it is magnetic and it can fit chrome and impact sockets of any brand. As you can see here, I have my trusty Capri Tools impact sockets, and they fit perfectly in this socket organizer. What I like about this socket organizer is that it comes in 3 rows, and it has from 6 millimeters all the way to 20 millimeters with no skips. So I'm able to utilize all 3 rows by having my deep, my regular sockets, and my shallow sockets. And my favorite part of this socket organizer is because since it's magnetic, they don't fall down. And because I tend to work a lot on my Integra, what I'm able to do because of this socket organizer is just set my sockets right there. So if you guys are interested, check out Olsa Tools. They do have many different colors that you can pick this up in. They also have a mix of metric and SAE. They also have a 2-row and a 3-row, just like this one. And one last thing, the socket organizer fits perfectly in my 20-inch toolbox. Honestly guys, this socket organizer is worth the money. So check them out guys, Olsa Tools, you won't regret it.